Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Google Chrome browser by removing a few bookmarks, you're in the right place. Bookmarks are super handy for saving websites you want to visit again later. But over time, they can pile up and make your browser feel a bit cluttered. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, step-by-step process of deleting bookmarks on Google Chrome, and it only takes a few moments. First, open Google Chrome on your device. At the top right corner of your browser, you'll see three small dots lined up vertically. This is your menu button, and it gives you access to all of Chrome's main settings and features. Go ahead and tap on those three dots. From here, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Bookmarks. Tapping on it will expand a sub-menu, where you'll see Bookmark Manager. Select it, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all of your saved bookmarks in one place. This is where you'll manage, organize, and, in this case, delete the ones you no longer want. Now, browse through your list until you find the bookmark you'd like to remove. Next to each saved bookmark, you'll notice another set of three dots. This smaller menu gives you quick controls over that particular bookmark. Tap on those dots and a few options will pop up. One of them will say Delete. Tap on Delete, and just like that, the bookmark will be removed from your list. If you have more than one to get rid of, just repeat the same steps. It's that simple. There's no need for confirmation boxes or extra clicks. Once you select Delete, that bookmark is gone. This method works the same whether you're using a computer or a mobile device, so you can clean up your bookmarks no matter how you browse. Keeping only the ones you truly need can help you stay organized and make it easier to find the websites that matter most to you. And that's it. Quick and easy. Now you know how to delete bookmarks on Google Chrome.